Hey there. If you're here, you're probably looking for real, honest information about Gluco Extend. Does it really work? Is it worth your money? Well, you're in the right place because today we're breaking it all down. Let's dive into everything you need to know before hitting that Buy Now button. Stay with me until the end because I have an exclusive offer that you won't want to miss. Gluco Extend is a revolutionary supplement designed to support healthy blood sugar levels naturally. It's packed with a unique blend of 11 plus clinically backed ingredients, all working together to promote balanced glucose levels, increased energy, and better overall health. But let's be real, there are tons of blood sugar supplements out there. So what makes Gluco Extend stand out? Here's the deal. Natural formula, no artificial additives or harmful chemicals, non-GMO and gluten-free, suitable for various dietary needs, no stimulants and non-habit forming, safe for long-term use, clinically proven ingredients, backed by real science, easy to take, just a simple daily routine. Now, let's break down what's inside this powerhouse supplement. Every Gluco Extend capsule contains a powerful blend of plants, herbs, and minerals that work together to regulate blood sugar and improve overall metabolic health. Here are some of the most important ones. Momordica carantia supports glucose metabolism and boosts energy. Cinnamomum cassia helps regulate blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity. Gymnema sylvestre, known as the sugar destroyer, it helps reduce sugar cravings. Lagerstrumia speciosa supports healthy insulin function. Morus spp, mulberry fruit, aids in digestion and blood sugar balance. Alpha lipoic acid, a powerful antioxidant that improves insulin function. Juniper berry supports detoxification and metabolism. These ingredients aren't just random herbs. They're carefully selected based on scientific research for their proven benefits in blood sugar management. Still skeptical? Let's hear from real Gluco Extend users who've seen life-changing results. Jason Thompson, 53, NY. My blood sugar is finally stable and I have so much more energy. This product beats everything else I've tried. Mindy Winslow, 43, FL. I've tried countless supplements, but nothing worked like this. It's powerful and actually delivers results. Thank you. Mark Winters, 46, WA. This is now my go-to supplement for blood sugar support. It's incredible how much better I feel. With over 127,000 satisfied customers, the results speak for themselves. Still on the fence? No worries. Gluco Extend is backed by a 60-day, 100% money-back guarantee. If you don't see results, you get every penny back. No questions asked. That means you can try it risk-free and experience the benefits for yourself. So, is Gluco Extend worth it? If you're serious about naturally supporting healthy blood sugar levels, boosting your energy, and improving your overall well-being, then absolutely yes. Click the link in the description now to secure your exclusive discount while stocks last. And don't forget, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on valuable health tips and reviews. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.